Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas. Today's video is going to be a Christmas inspired makeup look and you can definitely wear it for any Christmas parties that you might be attending tonight. Also, it is also the part 1 of my how to use a single eyeshadow in 2 ways. I asked you guys on my IG if you wanted to see how you can use a single eyeshadow with 2 different lips, with a red lip and with a nude lip. So today's video is going to be the part 1 of that series, and I'm going to wear it with a red lip today. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do like and share my videos. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. Now I've already moisturized my face, and to prime it even more, I'm taking my Maybelline Master Prime Blurring Primer and just a tiny bit of it into my fingers, and then I'm going to apply it mainly on the areas where I have some pores, that is on the cheek area and the center of my face. Next up, for my foundation, I'm taking my YSL Touche Eclat All-in-One Glow Foundation. I'm just taking out 2 pumps of this on the back of my hand, and I'm going to dot it all over my face first and then blend it out using my PAC foundation brush, and then I'll tap it over with my beauty sponge to soak up any excess product on the face. Now this is a beautiful lightweight and a very nice natural looking glowy foundation. It just looks like your skin but better, and this is a perfect foundation to be worn during the winters. It will give you a nice, almost a medium coverage, and it looks really lightweight on the skin. It is super heavily fragranced though. If you are somebody who cannot tolerate a lot of fragrance on your face, this might not be for you, but the fragrance on this is really nice and very fresh, and it does go away after some time. You do not feel it on your skin for the entire day, but on the first application it is super heavily fragranced. I'm going to dab it over with my beauty sponge to even out the coverage and to soak up any excess product. Today's video is also inspired by a look that Allana Davison did on her channel recently. Allana Davison, if you guys do not know, is a Canada-based YouTuber, and she is such a beautiful girl. She does some amazing makeup tutorials on her channel, and the one that I'm doing today, is also inspired by her. I especially bought this sweater just after looking at Allana's video because I was so inspired by the look that she did. I'll post a picture of it on the screen above. And now you can see it has given me such a beautiful and a very nice evened out base to the skin, while still looks really nice and very natural and has a very soft glow to it. For my concealer today, I'm taking my Kiko Milano Skintone Concealer, and I'm putting it just in the usual areas that I like to conceal, that is mainly on and around my eyes and on the center of my face. This again is a beautiful and a very lightweight concealer. It's super hydrating, does not dry out your skin at all, and does not look cakey or patchy on the skin at all. Blending it out using my beauty sponge, and it just blends out like a dream. And next up, to set my concealer, I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, and with a smaller powder brush, I'm using it to set just my concealer. I'm not going to set the rest of my face with this. And next up, before moving forward, I'm going to quickly go ahead and fill in my eyebrows off the camera. And I'm back. Now I'm going to start off with my eye makeup first, and first of all, I'm going to take my Flower Beauty Heatwave bronzer, and I'm going to put it all over my eyelid up to the crease for a nice base for the rest of the eyeshadows. I'm just taking it all over the eyelid. And next up, I'm taking my Colorbar Just Smoky Kajal in the shade Just Brown, and I'm using it to create a winged eyeliner along with my upper lashes. I'm going to create a nice line at the outer edge to give me a guide on where I want my wing to end, and then I'm going to connect it to the inner corner of my eye. I'm not going to make it too thick. I'm just keeping it really nice and thick enough but not extremely thick. Let me zoom you guys in to show you what I'm doing on my eyes. And now the eyeshadow that I wanted to do 2 looks with is my Makeup Revolution Flawless Foils eyeshadow in the shade Retreat. Now I showed you guys this eyeshadow recently in my Nykaa haul video, and it's a beautiful taupey color with lots and lots of glitter all over it. Now I'm taking an angled eyeliner brush and I'm dipping it into the eyeshadow, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this eyeshadow on top of the eyeliner that I have applied on my eyes. It will add some more glitter to the look. Just look at that beautiful glitter. It is adding such a beautiful and a very nice glittery look to the eyeliner. And it looks really nice and very glam, yet very understated. And this is how the eyeliner looks now after adding the glitter. The formula on this eyeshadow is really nice and creamy. It is more of a cream to powder kind of a formula. And that is it for my eyeliner and my eyeshadow. Now I'm going back in with my eyeliner and I'm going to put it on my waterline as well. And then I'm going to take the same eyeshadow and run it along with the outer half of my lower lash line to add a nice hint of sparkle and glitter on the lower lash line as well. And that is it for my eye look, guys. I love how it looks. It's super simple yet very glam and super wearable as well. Now I'm going to finish off the eye look with my Too Faced Better Than Love mascara, and I'm going to just load up my eyelashes with this mascara. And with that we are done with our eye makeup. Now I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup first, and to bronze up my face I'm going back in with my Flower Beauty Heatwave Luminous bronzer, and I'm using it to bronze up my entire face. For the blush I'm taking my Colorbar Cheekillusion blush in the shade Bronzing Glaze, and it's a beautiful terracotta bronze-ish kind of a shade, and I'm applying it on the apples of my cheeks, dragging it backwards, and I'm also going to swipe it across my nose and my chin. And for my highlighter I'm taking my MAC Extreme Dimension Skinfinish highlighter in the shade Oh Darling. Now I again mentioned it in my Nykaa haul video, and I'm going to apply it on all the high points of my face. It's a beautiful golden toned highlighter and looks really nice, and just like you're glowing from within. It's not super chunky or glittery, and it gives a beautiful highlight to your face. And lastly, for that gorgeous red lip, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in the shade Uncensored. Now this is one of the most beautiful and iconic reds that you have in the market, and it is a universally flattering red. It would look good on just any skin tone, any undertone, and just anybody at all. The formula on this lipstick is really liquidy, and you need to be very precise with the application, but once it dries down to be a completely matte finish, and it will not go anywhere after it dries down completely. And I mean, just look at that beautiful red. Does it not just scream of Christmas? My last step would be to melt all the makeup in, and to do that I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Glow Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray. And I'm going to just spritz it all over my face. And yeah guys, that is it. This is the final finished makeup look. I'm absolutely loving how it turned out. It just screams of Christmas, and I love the neutral tones with the bright bold red lip. The part 2 of using this eyeshadow in another way will be coming on my channel soon, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. If you do, please like and share my videos. Do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.